Hello everyone, welcome. This is from my table to yours. I'm just got a short little video that's telling you what I'm cooking tonight. Um I have French fries here that has Old Bay seasoning on it. I went to a fish store. I taste the fries. I said, oh my gosh, these fries are so good. Even though I'm supposed to have a lot of sodium, but the Old Bay and stuff tastes really good on the fries. And here, as you can see, I'm finishing up frying our hot dogs. I like them boiled and fried. My husband just like them fried, so I like to make sure they cook first. So I boil them, and then I put them in a pan with a little bit of oil. And it's to your liking. Some people like it darker, the hot dog. Some people like it, like this. I like it like this. I don't want too burnt or whatever. So, and then I had chicken salad from the storm. Not chicken salad, but I had chicken. And I just chopped it up. At first, I was just going to do like a tuna salad. You know, not even a tuna salad. You know, when you do tuna fish, like chicken salad, period. And then I said, oh, I want to put some more to it. So I bought some noodles, some macaroni noodles, and I just put it to it. So that's going to be our meal for tonight. It's just a little bit of chicken macaroni salad. Um, the French fries, these is from the store. I just put some oil on it, and I just put it in the oven, and I put some Old Bay seasoning on it. And here is just the hot dogs. Like I said, tonight's hot dog. I don't have no hot dog buns. I just have regular bread, guys. Sometimes he eat it with bread, and sometimes he don't. Or depends on how he feeling and his taste. So you know, this is just something that you could just throw together real quick. Usually my mom used to have hot dogs and beans or fried fish and fries on Friday, but this don't always have to be a Friday or Saturday night meal. So anyway, this is from my table to yours. I hope you enjoy this segment, this cooking segment. I hope you can put it into your um, recipe box. And let me just take it out and show you, you know. And so, and that's about it. So you could put your condiments on it, like ketchup and mustard and relish and sauerkraut, and I think that's basically it for us. What we usually put on it if we're gonna put anything, and cheese. So you could put all that with it. And I hope you just enjoyed this segment of from my table to yours. And I put Callan tips because I am trying to separate Callan tips now from Callan, from my table to yours, and I'm trying to do an educational segment, and I'm trying to also do a ministry segment. So I just didn't start it yet. I'm gonna start it, but I just don't. With the videos, I'm just learning how to I saw the edit, but I didn't want to touch it. But I touched it today, and it seemed nice, So I'm gonna try it out, and guys, just pray for me that that I will get better and better at this. It's not like I'm getting a lot of help, like hands-on help, like this what you do, this what you don't do. I look at videos, I try to figure it out. I don't get a chance to look at it every single day, but I'm always thinking about it, and that's about it. So anyway, so I hope I get better at this, and I hope I have more channels, so I could give you tips. I could give you, whatever I cook. It's, I'm just ordinary person just cooking. Um, Educational tips slash maybe other tips. Tutoring, helping kids, helping adults. And my Bible is like a Sunday school slash Bible study. Might be a little preaching there, I'm not sure. And it's really for beginners or people that want to know God, listen to the sermon, and really don't understand what's going on. That's what I'm about, guys, But everybody can learn something from it. So, on that note, I'm saying God bless you. Until the next time, the music you're hearing is a gospel music all different types of races is on this. So, but it's pure gospel, and it's not my music. So I just want you to know I don't own the rights to it. Okay then. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye bye. Enjoy. Subscribe and like. Thank you.